Chapter 3. Welcome to the last and final chapter of the Basics of NFT video series. This series has been a joy for us to make, and we hope you have learned a thing or two so far. In this final chapter, we will be talking about the conceptualization process of your artwork and collection, the building and designing part, as well as the ways you can market your project for minting and selling. Kaya ano? Simulan na natin? Conceptualizing your artwork or collection. If you've already created your OpenSea account, yay! The next step is to conceptualize the project that you want to put up at OpenSea. Ang tawag dito ay pre-production. In the case of Lonely AstroBears Space Agency, our goal was to build a community. A community wherein artists can freely create new connections, educate one another, and collaborate on projects. This was a project that was conceived because we wanted all young Filipino artists to belong, lalo na yung mga younger artists na nahihirapang humanap at bumuo ng networks of clients, pati na rin yung mga nahihiyang i-market yung sarili nila for commissions. Ang daming talented na artists na ganyan, and of course, you deserve recognition and growth in the art scene. We also wanted to be able to raise awareness on the reality of this struggle, at sa ganitong paraan namin gusto gawin ito. So yon ang theme ng aming project. Para sa'yo, you can think of something as personal to you, or something that you truly believe in. Once nahanap mo na yung theme na gusto mo, what will be your subject? For Labsa, we wanted to build a community. With that, we followed the pattern of most community-based projects kagaya ng BPOs and BAYC PFPs. We went with bears in spacesuits as our subject because bears are creatures that are naturally alone and yet nakakahanap sila ng paraan to survive on their own. Space then connotes the idea of being afloat in the void, not knowing where to go next, especially dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic. You can do the same as we did, or you can even list photographs you've taken. Before this tutorial, we will be focusing on creating a limited collection of artworks that you can easily put up for minting in your OpenSea account.